meron po bang pwedeng mag-timer po?
Ilang minute yan?
Hindi bang makita?
Awarin ka eh.
Okay na sir.
Awarin
Thank
ka
you.
eh.
Sentence na naman?
Alam ka pa.
Okay, start na ma'am.
Wey!
Ang haba naman.
Paano paano
Kangaroo. Kangaroo punching, boxing kangaroo. Fighting kangaroo, fighting kangaroo. Kangaroo learning to fight. Kangaroo learning to box.
Wait,
Kangaroo, basta kangaroo ha.
you already said kanina.
Boxing. Kangaroo boxing. Wall. Blind kangaroo.
Oh, bulag.
Kangaroo.
Hirap naman yan.
Boxing.
Bulag. Ano ba?
Blind shadow boxing. Kangaroo. Punching invisible enemy. Boxing, invisible boxing.
Ang iturong niya po.
Invisible. Kangaroo. Boxing invisible. Boxing invisible enemy.
Oh, enemy.
Pwede na yun.
Tama na, pwede yun. Pwede yun, enemy.
Boxing the win. Punching the wind. Kangaroo. How many syllable is that last word?
The wind.
3 syllable. Invisible. Invisible. Pero boxing boxing. Tama.
First syllable.
No talking. Sorry na.
Considered na po. Ano mo yung correct?
Kahirap naman yan.
Kangaroo boxing with...
Ano ang galing mo ba?
Ang galing mo.
Enemy. Parang sila.
Parehas naman yung enemy.
Bawi ulit. Sir, ang galing mo.
Ay, tama na yun.
Mabaling ka naman.